Good afternoon. Our topic for today is all about ballast water management or BWM. And number 2 is anti-pooling system. And lastly, number 3, other contemporary regulation or requirements. So the first topic is ballast water management. The BWM convention prevents the spread of invasive species by requiring ballast water exchange at sea or treatment before discharge. So yung ballast water, yun yung tubig na kinakarga ni shipmate sa tangke. So pagkikita ko sa iyo sa ibabaw yung proseso ng ballasting. So, number 1 is yung ballast pump. Yun yung magkakarga ng, yun yung magpapump ng tubig papunta sa filtration system. Yung filtration system, yun yung magpipilter ng tubig papunta sa treatment system. Yan. Yung treatment system, yun yung pumamatay sa mga marine growth o mga invasive species. Yan. Pagkatapos ng treatment system, pupunta sa sa ballast tank. Yan. Pupunta siya sa ballast tank, yun yung magbibigay na stability ng barko. Yan. Yun yung ballasting. Pagkatapos ng yung deballasting, yun naman ballast pump, tapos treatment system, tapos yan overboard. Yan, yun yung ballasting. Number 2 is anti-pooling system. Anti-pooling system regulation limit harmful substances in anti-pooling paints, reducing bio-pooling and the spread of invasive species while improving fuel efficiency. Yung anti-pooling system pala, yun yung mag-reduce ng biopooling and para hindi na mag-spread yung mga invasive species and mag-improve yung fuel efficiency. Gumagamit sila ng biocide or non-toxic alternatives para pangtanggal ng invasive species o yung sisi. Yan yung anti-pooling system. Next is other regulation, MARPOL Annex 6, control air pollution. Environmental protection areas, enforce striker, emission limits in sensitive areas and waste management regulation, minimize pollution from sewage and garbage. Green shipping initiative further encourage environmental friendly practices. My name is Walter Buenas, section is for MR. Thank you and advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.